Alright, so we're on the road. It's a little bit before 7 o'clock, and we're gonna hit Dallas first tonight and hang out there for a little bit with some locals. It's 93 degrees. AC's out on the truck. I haven't seen one alligator, and we're in the middle of Louisiana. Not exactly the peachy day, but exactly what I would expect from the Beer Buckle Tour. So we're here at Voodoo Fest setting up. It's day one, Thursday, and tomorrow starts the festivities. So we get to set up everything. They're doing sound checks right now. Our booth right now is very bare, and we've put up some cool decorations, put up all the lighting already, and now we're gonna start setting up, getting ready to put the product out, and we're gonna bounce out and start the drinking. You can take a look around right now. You can see all the other vendors, everything going on, stages way over there, entry. It'll look pretty crazy come tomorrow morning. Yo, so this is about probably as close as I'm gonna get to where Ozzy's gonna be playing. Muse is playing, MGMT, a couple other bigger ones too, but Day 2, Voodoo Fest. Everybody's doing sound checks. You can see the art market, which is Voodoo's Fest retail side of things. The beer buckle. Say hi, Leah.
Camera shot.
That's Leah.
It's because I wear this shit all the time. It's conformed to my body.
Pops open, pops
Tijuana sound machine. Sound machine.
Go. Extremely exhausted. Double shots, my friend. They're doing sound checks now, and then festivities start. So today's supposed to be the craziest day with all the costumes and the weirdos coming out. Last night was pretty entertaining. So today we're gonna see how crazy can it get in New Orleans. The most rare sight at any festival. No lines. So at the SoCo booth of today, we got a couple of passes, and the more wristbands you have, the better you're off. We got a free drinks, one stage behind me, and a whole lot of fun about to happen with Interpool and MGMT later today. Alright, so we're all done with Voodoo Fest 2010, but I don't think it's over yet. We're all packed up, but I hear a little music. What is this?
Some are young, some are dumb, some wanna die. They fill the streets.
Okay, 3 days in New Orleans and I haven't seen one alligator. So I plugged it into the GPS and we're gonna take the alligator tour. All I want is to see one swamp lizard. Just one. So let's go watch one. Okay, judging by the vacancy, thought all the alligators packed up and left. He's an alligator. I bet you it's fake. You know, if you can't find an alligator, you spend a little bit of money and you can just adopt one. Check out my little friend.